Have you been eating beets thinking you're doing your body a favor, only to notice no real improvement in your energy, blood pressure, or digestion? You're not imagining it. After age 60, how you eat beets matters just as much as whether you eat them at all. Small, overlooked mistakes can cancel out their benefits, and in some cases, quietly work against your health. In this video, you'll discover the 9 most common beet mistakes seniors make, why they matter, and exactly how to fix them so beets truly support your heart, brain, circulation, and longevity. Stay with us because mistake number 2 surprises almost everyone. And if you value smart nutrition after 60, like this video, subscribe. And let's begin. Beets have earned a reputation as one of nature's most powerful superfoods, especially for older adults. They support healthy blood flow, help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and even boost stamina and mental clarity. But here's the truth most people never hear. Beets are only powerful when used correctly. Preparation methods, storage habits, and even pairing them with the wrong foods can quietly strip away their benefits. Today, we're breaking down the 9 beet mistakes that matter most after 60, so you can stop guessing and start getting real results from this vibrant root. Mistake number 9. Throwing away the peel. One of the most common beet mistakes happens before the beet ever reaches your plate. Peeling it. That thin outer skin may look rough or dirty, but it actually holds some of the highest concentrations of antioxidants and fiber in the entire vegetable. The deep red pigments, known as betalains, are especially concentrated near the skin, and these compounds play a powerful role in reducing inflammation, supporting liver function, and protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage. After age 60, oxidative stress accelerates aging inside the body. It affects joints, arteries, and even brain cells. When you peel beets before cooking, you're throwing away a layer specifically designed to help fight that process. You're also losing valuable fiber, which is essential for stable blood sugar, cholesterol balance, and healthy digestion. Instead of peeling, gently scrub the beets under running water using a vegetable brush. Once cooked, the skin softens and blends seamlessly with the flesh. Most people can't even tell it's there. And if texture truly bothers you, remove the skin after cooking when far fewer nutrients are lost. Keeping the peel is one of the simplest ways to dramatically increase the health value of every beet you eat. Mistake number 8. Eating beets plain without seasoning. Many people believe healthy food should be eaten plain, especially later in life. But when it comes to beets, that belief actually backfires. Plain beets often taste earthy or dull, causing people to eat them less often or avoid them altogether. And seasoning isn't just about flavor. It's about nutrient absorption. Beets contain iron, antioxidants, and natural nitrates that support circulation. Adding a splash of lemon juice or vinegar helps your body absorb iron more efficiently, which can reduce fatigue and improve oxygen delivery to your tissues. A small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, also helps your body absorb fat-soluble antioxidants that protect your eyes, skin, and heart. Herbs such as dill, thyme, or rosemary do more than add aroma. They contain plant compounds that work alongside beet antioxidants to reduce inflammation and support joint health. Even in smoothies, pairing beets with ginger or citrus can enhance circulation benefits while helping stabilize blood pressure response. Seasoning does not cancel out health benefits. It activates them, and when beets taste better, you're more likely to eat them consistently. After 60, it's consistency that delivers real results. Mistake number 7. Using old wrinkled beets. At the store, not all beets are created equal. Soft, wrinkled, or dull-looking beets may seem harmless, but they're often a sign of nutrient loss. Fresh beets with a firm texture and deep, rich color contain higher levels of vitamin C, folate, potassium, and antioxidants nutrients that support immune strength, circulation, and cellular repair. As beets age, moisture slowly evaporates and delicate vitamins begin to break down. Vitamin C is especially vulnerable. Older beets can also become woody, dry, and less digestible, making them harder to chew and less enjoyable to eat, an important consideration after age 60. When shopping, choose small to medium beets that feel heavy for their size. The skin should be smooth and tight. If the greens are still attached, they should look crisp and vibrant, not wilted. At home, cut the greens off promptly, leaving about an inch of stem to help preserve moisture in the root. Store unwashed beets in the refrigerator's crisper drawer. When stored properly, fresh beets can maintain much of their nutritional value for weeks. Freshness isn't just about taste. It directly affects how much your body benefits from every bite. Mistake number 6, discarding the beet greens. For many people, beet greens go straight into the trash without a second thought. But this is one of the biggest nutritional losses you can make. Beet greens are among the most nutrient-dense leafy vegetables available. Gram for gram, they rival, and in some cases, exceed spinach and kale. They're rich in vitamin K for bone strength, magnesium for muscle and nerve health, calcium for skeletal support, and iron for oxygen transport. Vitamin K also plays a critical role in directing calcium away from arteries and into bones, which becomes increasingly important after age 60. Beet greens are also low in calories and carbohydrates while being high in fiber and antioxidants. This combination makes them especially helpful for seniors managing blood sugar, weight, or chronic inflammation. You can use beet greens just like other leafy greens. Lightly sauté them with olive oil and garlic. Stir them into soups, add them to omelets, or blend them into smoothies. Wash them thoroughly and store them separately from the root. For maximum benefit, aim to use them within 2 to 3 days. Throwing away beet greens means discarding one of the most powerful nutritional bonuses nature provides with this root vegetable. Mistake number 5, forgetting salt during cooking. One of the most overlooked beet mistakes happens before the beets ever reach your plate. Cooking them in plain, unsalted water. This may seem like the healthiest choice, especially for seniors watching their sodium intake. But skipping salt during cooking can quietly work against both flavor and nutrition. Salt isn't just a finishing touch. When added to cooking water, it helps draw out and enhance the beet's natural sweetness from the inside. Without it, beets often taste flat or overly earthy, leading many people to assume they simply don't like beets. That's not a beet problem, it's a preparation problem. Salt also plays a role in preserving texture and supporting mineral balance. Beets are naturally rich in potassium and magnesium, minerals essential for muscle function, nerve signaling, and healthy blood pressure regulation. Lightly salted cooking water helps the beets maintain firmness while reducing excessive nutrient loss into the water. You don't need much. About half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt per pot of water is enough. If sodium is a concern, using sea salt or other mineral-rich salts in moderation can add trace minerals without overdoing it. Seasoning during cooking sets the foundation for a dish that's both enjoyable and nourishing. Mistake number 4, wasting the canned beet liquid. If you've ever opened a can of beets and immediately poured the dark red liquid down the drain, you're not alone. Unfortunately, that liquid is packed with nutrients your body can use, especially after age 60. That deep red color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, support liver detoxification, and protect blood vessels. During the canning process, minerals like potassium, folate, and magnesium naturally migrate into the liquid. These nutrients play key roles in heart rhythm, red blood cell production, and muscle relaxation. Pouring that liquid away is like throwing out a free supplement. And even if the can contains some added sodium, the solution is balance, not waste. You can adjust seasoning elsewhere in the meal, add lemon juice or herbs, or choose low-sodium versions when available. Canned beet liquid can be used in soups, blended into smoothies, mixed into salad dressings, stirred into hummus, or even incorporated into baking. It adds color, subtle sweetness, and real nutritional value. Once you start seeing it as an asset instead of waste, your meals become richer, and far more supportive of long-term health. Mistake number 3. Skipping the blanching step for canned beets. Have you ever noticed a metallic or slightly bitter taste when eating canned beets? That flavor isn't in your imagination. It often comes from the interaction between beet pigments and the canning process. For many seniors, taste sensitivity changes with age, making this metallic note even more noticeable. When that happens, people often assume they just don't like beets anymore and end up missing out on their circulation and heart-supporting benefits. There's a simple fix: blanching. By placing canned beets into gently boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes, you rinse away the residue responsible for that metallic taste. What remains is the beet's natural sweetness and earthy richness. This quick step doesn't strip away nutrients. Fiber, folate, potassium, and antioxidants remain largely intact. Blanching simply restores balance and improves flavor. It's especially helpful if you plan to use beets in salads, smoothies, or lightly cooked dishes, where off flavors are more noticeable. 1 extra minute can turn canned beets from disappointing to delicious, making them far easier to enjoy regularly. Mistake number 2. Avoiding canned beets entirely. Many people believe that only fresh beets count as healthy, and that canned beets are somehow inferior. This belief causes many seniors to miss out on one of the most convenient and reliable ways to enjoy beet benefits consistently. The truth is that most of the fiber, folate, potassium, iron, and antioxidants in beets survive the canning process. These are the same nutrients responsible for supporting circulation, helping lower blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. The real concern with canned beets isn't the beet itself, it's sodium. And the solution is simple. Rinse canned beets under cool running water before use, or choose low sodium or no salt added varieties when available. This step can dramatically reduce sodium while preserving the nutrients that matter most. Canned beets also save time and energy. They're already cooked and ready to use in salads, soups, smoothies, or simple side dishes. After age 60, consistency matters more than perfection. Canned beets make it easier to include this powerful vegetable regularly without long prep times or extra effort. Avoiding them entirely isn't a health upgrade. Using them wisely is. Mistake number 1. Poor storage that destroys nutrition. Even if you buy fresh, beautiful beets and cook them correctly, everything can still fall apart if you store them the wrong way. Poor storage is one of the most common reasons beets lose their flavor, texture, and health benefits long before you ever eat them. Beets are living plants even after harvest. When the greens are left attached, they continue pulling moisture and nutrients from the root. This is why beets can become soft, rubbery, and bland so quickly. In the refrigerator, at the same time, exposure to air and light causes sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and folate to break down. The solution is simple. As soon as you bring beets home, trim off the greens and store them separately, leaving about an inch of stem on the root. Don't wash the beets until you're ready to use them. The natural dirt acts as a protective barrier. Store unwashed beets in a breathable produce bag or in a container lined with a paper towel, placed in the refrigerator's crisper drawer. Stored this way, fresh beets can last up to 3 weeks while retaining much of their nutritional value. Once cooked, store beets in airtight glass containers and use them within 5 days. If you have more than you can use, cooked beets also freeze well and keep most of their antioxidants and minerals for months. Proper storage protects the investment you make in your health. Who should be careful with beets? Beets are incredibly beneficial for most people, but they aren't ideal for everyone in unlimited amounts. Those with a history of kidney stones should be cautious. Beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. Staying hydrated, eating in moderation, and consulting a healthcare provider are all wise strategies. People with naturally low blood pressure should also monitor their intake. Beet nitrates widen blood vessels and can lower blood pressure further, potentially causing dizziness or lightheadedness. especially if you take blood pressure medications. Seniors managing diabetes should be mindful of portion size, particularly with cooked or juiced beets. Pairing beets with protein, fiber, or healthy fats helps slow sugar absorption and maintain stable blood glucose levels. Beets can also interact with certain medications related to blood pressure, blood sugar, or circulation. When in doubt, a quick conversation with your healthcare provider ensures safety. Beets are powerful. Respecting that power makes them an ally rather than a risk. So, what's the real takeaway from today's video? Beets are not just another vegetable. They're one of nature's most powerful tools for supporting circulation, energy, digestion, and cellular health after 60. But like any powerful tool, they must be used correctly. Small mistakes, like peeling away nutrients, discarding the greens, choosing old beets, skipping seasoning, or storing them poorly, can quietly cancel out their benefits. Bigger mistakes, like ignoring food safety, can even put your health at risk. The good news? Every one of these mistakes is easy to fix. When you keep the peel, use the greens, season wisely, store properly, explore new cooking methods, and even enjoy beets in desserts, you unlock their full potential. Healthy aging isn't about perfection. It's about consistent, informed choices. Every properly prepared beet is a step toward better blood flow, stronger bones, clearer thinking, and more energy in daily life. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which beet mistake surprised you the most, and which change will you try first? Share in the comments. Your experience could help someone else in our community. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who enjoys beets, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed guidance designed especially for life after 60. Stay strong, stay informed, and stay vibrant. We'll see you in the next video.